The next idea is an element and embellishment on your walking. I call it cross and go. And I will show it first going backward. Look, cross and go. Let's do it only on one leg first. Cross and go. Cross and go. To the other direction, you can do it. Behind, cross and go. I will go backward again so you can see. Now I will do it on the other foot. Cross and go. Cross and go. Cross and go. And going forward, the same thing. Crossing behind and go. Crossing behind and go. Now also, you can cross both legs. Step, cross, step, cross, step, cross, step, cross. Going forward, cross, step, cross, step. The important thing here is the knee, one knee behind the other. And going backward, same thing. You can do cross, cross, go, cross, cross behind, go. So it makes you spend more time of your balance on one leg only. So it's a good exercise. Going forward, cross, cross and go, cross, cross and go, cross, cross and go. I will do it that direction. So now going forward, when you do the brush, that's a cross and go. So sometimes the brush could be that way, cross and go. The other leg, cross and go. Going backward, I will do it only on my right foot. Cross and go. Step, cross and go. And you don't have to do it in a real dancing all the time. So, for example, an element in which we can work this for the leader will be in a walking backward. So I am going to walk backward with my partner on my right side, outside partner, and I will cross my right foot. Doesn't have to be more than one time. I like to do it one time as an element when you walk backward. And for the follower, let's use it in the backward ocho with displacement. That the follower does this. We need a follower backward ocho, and here she can cross and go. Here she can cross and go. It's a backward ocho with very little pivot, with almost not pivot. So let's see. We can put them in practice. That's a good way to exit. So you will combine the backward ocho and cross with the carrusel. Again, backward ocho and cross. See that I wait. I give my partner a space. The last one, I don't wait. I start to walk backward, and then we can exit with a regular backward ocho and cross. Should we try?